And a sun-beam at noon take the place of the moon. And where in the world? And the stars of the sky shine into lovely eyes. And where did I first find the answer to my prayer? May I remind you that you were there, oh, where in the world? And a touch of the lips bring a total eclipse of cares in the world. And a future for two is the one thing in view. And where can I be sure that all my dreams